Good morning and welcome back on this Tuesday. If you had the day off yesterday, I hope you enjoyed your time. And of course, everybody talking about the snow. I was receiving a lot of text messages yesterday asking, what can we expect this weekend? Here's what we know right now. And I want to stress this storm is still coming together, so you want to stay tuned. But it looks like the snow begins Saturday night into Sunday morning. Right now, several inches are likely. We're not putting out numbers because I'm looking at the computer models. Everything is in play right now, from 2 inches to 6 inches to 12 inches. So you'll want to stay tuned as we continue to refine the details, but what it does look like. We'll have accumulating snow on Sunday that could linger into Monday, so school impacts potentially Monday, maybe even on into Tuesday. So heads up for that, parents. Our temperatures right now are in the 20s. It is chilly out there. 27 in Washington, Clinton, and Manassas, as well as Leesburg. Only 19 degrees up in Hagerstown, 21 in Frederick. Looking to tomorrow, our temperatures are 10 degrees, almost 15 degrees warmer. However, I want to stress it's really cold tomorrow morning for the kids at the bus stop. Something to keep in mind. 17 is the temperature, but wait until you see the wind chill. I have that right after this. We warm into the low 40s, so closer to normal tomorrow. A little bit more cloud cover and breezy winds tomorrow afternoon, but again, we're going to be 10, almost 15 degrees warmer, and it is a completely dry day. In fact, the entire work week is dry, so no issues with the weather this week, but that feels like forecast tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Look at these wind chill temperatures. Wind chills in the single digits, north and west of 95, feeling like 16 in Washington, a wind chill of only 8 in Gaithersburg. As we head toward the midday hours, wind chill temperatures in the teens and 20s. Tomorrow afternoon, as we see a little bit of a breeze, we'll have wind chill temperatures largely in the 20s and low 30s. And then it's another cold night Wednesday night on into Thursday morning. But we warm to a high temperature on Thursday of 54 degrees. So again, it's a warmer day overall. Friday, we start to cool back down as skies quickly become cloudy during the morning hours. A high temperature Friday of 43 degrees. Now, Saturday day will be dry. So if you have errands or something to do on Saturday, no issues getting out and about. So a dry, cold day on Saturday. Look at this high, only 22 degrees. Sunday, as the snow falls, it has no problem sticking, a fluffy light snow at that, with a high temperature of 20. Again, snow likely Sunday that winds down Sunday night into early Monday morning. And then it's cold Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So whatever accumulates, it's not going anywhere anytime soon.